Siesta.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
This is the goose I was
Please, Lord, give
expecting,
me a sign,
and it has finally
a
arrived.
sign.
That immediately.
I feel like I'm
Attach
losing
it.
my mind.
Sending our daddy
Is
this morning,
everybody
right?
in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Preparing food. See, siesta. Frying akara. Village girl. So me, I'm waiting with my plates. I'm waiting with my plates to eat akara. This plate is for the akara. The pap is already here. I drank water and remain here. Give him to give me.
Yeah, who won?
Bring it now. Give me one. Give Esther that one. Give me. Come sit down. Let's eat. You eat. You take akamu. You take pap. Akara is finally here. Can you like it? It's not hot. Okay. Don't want this one. You want?
Okay, you enjoy this pancake, ba?
Yes. Hello guys. Hello my people. So today I am in the mood to clean. Like I feel like cleaning the bathroom. Yes, my younger sister helped me to clean before I came, but
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever.
leave it.
Maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever.
Come, let's go. This is the goose I was expecting, and it has finally arrived. Let's see. All this thing here is for our chop chop and for our well-being, as we are going to be staying in this house. My husband name is so I told him I was craving for bread, Abuja bread. I don't want bread from here. So he got me this bread. Oshoni Bakery. Yes. See you. My husband, he can do and whatever for you. This one is chinchi. I told him I was craving for mini chinchi. He got it for me. Yes, so who know this thing? Go show your face.
Mommy.
But if it's not, if it's
Papa, see.
yes, shea butter. There's coal. Yes, so this one is for my snacking back. Yes, so who know this one I got it for myself. Then my husband added yeah, power bank. This one are my pants. My husband is sent for me. Hey, Kendrick, your daddy bought you slippers. It's your own thing. Barcelona stuff. This is Barcelona. What is this? The fresh. It's air freshener. Air freshener. My husband put Jota for me. I don't have Jota. I'm concentrate on bag. This one, that happy. I say hypo. My husband bought a happy. Why is this so strong like this? Then peak milk. I see your sponge that we forgot. See your okay. This
the thing hook.
yeah.
My space.
Maybe let's leave it. Maybe you do my whole video. These are the extra things. So you have to do. Remember me. So these are the things you got I did not want to leave you. Bring you. I was craving for chinchin. He bought 2 rolls. I did not know that the roll, one roll used to be things like this. This one now. So tough. This is so tough for him. He gave me this. I came with my dream about it. Get this shell for me. He did. Shell for children. so happy. Yes, so Hendrik, we are spending our daddy's money, right? We are spending our daddy's money. You have started eating.